Hello guys, it's Neil Mukherjee here. I welcome you all to Arts by Neil, and today we are going to paint a watercolor portrait of Hulk. Initially we'll start with the drawing. So the drawing is done. Now we'll water the entire sheet for coloring. We'll start with background. Now I am watering the portrait. Use enough water while doing this, otherwise the water will get dry. So I'm starting with the camo green color, which is Hulk's original color. Initially I'm just giving the base, just adding up the color to the entire portrait. After that I'll make layers as per the requirement of the portrait. Whenever you make watercolor portrait, always make the base layer first, then you can make the layers. Now I am adding up the second layer. You can see in the reference picture why I am adding this. You can see I am adding the second layer where required. You just have to inspect the colors, like here is use of a bit muddy yellow color, so you'll have to inspect the colors, otherwise the portrait will not look proper. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll get to see lot of more videos here, tutorial videos. So I am adding that muddy yellow color to other areas where it is required. Here I am using lemon yellow color. You can see how I am adding up the layers. I am adding one muddy yellow color layer on the second layer. So watercolor portraits are just about adding up correct number of layers where required, because that is going to give the shading in the color. If you want to check out the watercolor portrait of a lady, realistic portrait, you can check in the iCard. The link is given there, even in the description as well. You can see I have added extra color, so I just wipe it out with a tissue paper. You can do that. You can see I am adding fourth layer where required. You can't achieve the exact color in one go. Guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. There we upload various different type of content. You can check out there. You can see how I am giving the shade to the teeth, not in one go, with adding up layers. So now I'm coloring hair with black color. Okay, now we'll use a broad marker to do the outlines, as it is the need of the portrait. You will see after using this, the portrait will look totally different. Guys, if you really like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. That red color button, just hit that and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. Guys, please subscribe to our channel because it is quite necessary to have some support. You can use thin marker where required. I'm using whitener in the eyes. Guys, please follow us on Facebook and like our Facebook page. Now the final thing, the final touch. Guys, share this video with your friends and family, and you can check the beginner level watercolor materials in the iCard link. Those materials are enough if you are starting the watercolor for first time. You can see I am adding final layers and it is just making the output look more attractive. You can see it's just a layer which I am adding at the end. Okay guys, so now the tape removing part. So final output is ready guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this with your friends.